Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Wednesday, May 10th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. The futures right now are trading lower by about 1.5 right now. They're sitting at 23.92 per contract. You can see overnight they did dip a little bit down to around the 23.87 level, have come off the worst levels of the morning. So again, we'll see how this plays out, but nonetheless, markets coming under a little bit of pressure here this morning. And again, there's lots of geopolitical events taking place, lots of noise out there, but we're going to focus on stocks in the news, and we're going to look at earnings. And the first stock we're going to look at today is going to be Disney. Ticker symbol is DIS. Walt Disney Corporation right now trading at 109.50. Stock closed at 112.07. So a pretty good little haircut there. I'm going to have levels for Disney posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So again, if you want to trade Disney alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, or come on over, take that subscription, and you'll see everything we're doing there. But Disney is in play this morning. Next one on my radar is going to be Electronic Arts. Ticker symbol is EA. Stock right now is trading at $103. Closed at $96.01. So this is a surge higher for Electronic Arts. Great move. And again, I'm going to give this stock the upside bias to around 104.50. At that point, it becomes overbought. Not that it's necessarily a short or a fade candidate. It just becomes overbought at that level. So give it the upside to 104.50. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Next, we're going to take a look at is a big chip maker here, NVDA. This has been one of the hottest stocks of 2016, and it's picking up right where it left off. Big pop today. The stock closed at 102.94, now trading at $115 a share. You could see briefly yesterday it did go as high as $118. So great move here for NVIDIA. It is overbought on every metric and does have a lot of resistance around the 120 level. But either way, this is a very powerful surge and a solid move up. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see what kind of pattern forms on the charts on the intraday action, and we will take it from there. But NVIDIA up big this morning. Let's take a look at Fossil, FOSL. This stock is getting hammered to the downside. It closed at $18.15. The apparel maker here is just getting decimated, trading at $14.30. I don't see anything till you get to its double bottom all the way from 2009. That's about around 11 bucks. So nothing to do on Fossil from what I could see. Leave this one alone. Steer clear. Next one we're going to take a look at is TripAdvisor. TRIP is the ticker symbol there. Stock is catching a nice bid. Closed at $46.92 yesterday. Now trading at $49.85. So again, TripAdvisor, nice little pop higher. Again, I'm looking at some resistance points here on the stock. First one I'm looking at right now is going to be around this $50 level, then more around $53. So again, if you own it, I would trail the stop loss immediately, but there's a lot of resistance here around $50 and a lot more around $53, which also happens to be the 200-day moving average. So again, TripAdvisor has a nice move, but it is bumping its head up into good resistance on the charts. Let's take a look at Yelp. Yelp, I need somebody. Yelp, anybody. This stock is getting absolutely pounded. Stock closed at $34.70. It's now trading at $26.54. Briefly yesterday after the close, got down to 24 bucks. I would not rule that out again today. I'm going to try to have some levels posted here for Yelp, but it is lower. So again, be careful here with Yelp. The stock is getting hammered to the downside. Speaking of getting hammered, let's take a look at Priceline. Priceline's another stock getting smashed. Stock closed at $1,911 a share yesterday, trading at $1,850 a share today. So Priceline's getting hit pretty bad. A level I have for Priceline, if you are aggressive, and this comes with a little higher risk, $1,745 a share. That should be a very good intraday support level for a bounce. Keep it on the radar. Next up, we're going to take a look here at Jazz Pharmaceuticals. Ticker symbol is JAZZ. Stock right now is trading sharply lower, closing yesterday at 158.34. Today it's trading at 148.82. So this is about a 10-point haircut for this name. I'll try to have levels posted up in the intraday stock chat. Remember, Jazz does not trade 1 million shares on a consistent basis. Therefore, this thing can overshoot, comes with higher risk. So be a little bit careful there. Let's take a look at Microchip. MCHP is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $80 a share right now. This is trading higher today. Closed yesterday at $76.45. We're going to give it the upside bias to around $81.50. So, again, you can see it got there yesterday in the after hours, then pulled back. That's your resistance point right now. And not that there's anything wrong with the stock. It's just overbought and extremely extended, and things can only go so high or so far. And this one is getting stretched at these levels. Let's take a look at Abercrombie & Fitch. ANF is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $14.40. This is a nice little pop. The stock closed yesterday at $12.67, so good little move there. Again, this is going right into that daily chart 200-day moving average, which is around $14.61, so watch out. A lot of resistance in play. Let's take a look at one more here. We're going to go with Vitamin Shop. VSI is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $19, now trading at $15.75. Now, there's not a lot of volume out here, but nonetheless, this is a pretty weak move. Again, I just don't see a play for Vitamin Shop at all today. Be very, very careful with this name. But we will cover all of these names and more in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. Lots of morning action lately and lots of morning action today. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's switch gears here. Gold market trading up today, $6.70 to $1,222.90 an ounce. GLD right here, you could see getting a good little bid. Closed at 116.05, trading at 116.38. So nice little move there for gold. Looks like crude oil is catching a bid as well. Crude oil is up 70 cents to $46.58 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, you will see that is catching a bid as well. USO closed at $9.57, now trading at $9.70. So again, nice little pop there for crude oil. We'll see how that plays out. Today at 10:30, I believe we do have oil inventory numbers being released. So again, very, very important and interesting trading day. Right now we have the futures down about 1.5 points. We'll see how today plays out. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.